Feeling stuck and unsure to get your dream job? You are not alone. Most people struggle with where to begin, and that's okay. But what if I told you there's a simple roadmap that turns your confusion into clarity and your dreams into reality? Let's uncover your path to success together. Unemployment. It's not just about not having a job. It's the sleepless nights, the fear of rejection, and the nagging doubt that maybe you're just not good enough. But here's the truth. You are enough. The problem isn't you, it's the lack of clarity on how to navigate this overwhelming process. And today, I'll show you how to change that. First, let me tell you something powerful. It's okay not to know everything. The world is changing so fast and nobody has all the answers. And the good news is, everything you want to learn is out there waiting for you. So, step one, decide what you want. Don't aimlessly apply for jobs. Pause and ask yourself, what role excites me? What kind of work will I be proud of? Having clarity is the foundation for everything. Step 2. Take action. Head to LinkedIn and look for people who are already in your dream role. Yes, this might feel intimidating, but remember, these people were once in your shoes. Connect with them, read their stories, and when you are ready, reach out. Something like, "Hi, I admire your work. Can you share how you got started?" can open incredible doors. Step 3. Cultivate the growth mindset. Here's what most people hesitate. But what if I don't have the skills? Listen to me carefully. Nobody starts perfect. Your goal isn't to be ready right now. It's to close the gap between where you are and where you wanna be. Identify the skills that you are missing. Take one small step every day. Learn. Do courses, tutorials, projects. This is how you grow. Step 4. The mindset shift. Now here's the truth that will change everything. You only fail when you stop trying. Every rejection, every ignored application is one step closer to success. It's not personal, it's part of the process. Keep going and don't be afraid to ask for help. You're building momentum and that's what matters. Remember, unemployment is not the end of your story, it's just a chapter. You have everything within you to turn things around. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop believing in yourself. Your dream job, it's closer than you think. If this resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments down below. What's the one step you have taken today that gets you closer to your dream job? Let's build this journey together.